Hey guys, I wish you a magnificent, prosperous day. Welcome to this magnificent, prosperous live stream. We're going to look at a bunch of things today. It is going to be very fun. We have an interesting new meta. Obviously, GME has been around for a while, but also Tate coins. And I just posted a video like a few hours ago, and it was like a time sensitive video, and those coins actually did 5 to 10x after I posted the video, which was shocking to me. Like, we had a few coins going to 50 million, and we're going to be covering literally all of that in this live stream. Allow me to take a few minutes just to set everything up. And if you're already here, welcome and thank you for joining. Just opening the streams on my other devices. And yesterday was a fun stream. Like, we found a few coins which did well for you guys, to my knowledge. Like this Coca-Cola cat. This one was a nice one yesterday. I'm not sure how high it went, but like, I checked it for like just 1 second earlier today, and to my knowledge it hit at least 30k, and we called it at 15k. So I'm curious to see where is it at right now. Welcome Hofer, welcome Chekna Kadeba, welcome everyone. Just a few more minutes before we start. Just a few more minutes. Already 8 people in, wow. That's more than we usually have in the beginning. I'm going to pin the classic message that I have, which is going to be the Discord. Free Discord, by the way. We almost have 500 members. Free Telegram course channel and free course. It's basically like the free course for beginner level people who want to learn how to set everything up, how to use Spotted Fun, how to use Photon. So it's very beginner level. But if you haven't seen it yet, then you should definitely watch it. And I pinned that in the live chat right here. Pinned it for you guys. And now let's promote our stream real quick in our Telegram course channel. We'll get a few more people from it. Wow, 12 people already. Very, very nice. Welcome everyone. And if you haven't seen this video, it's a great one. I'm covering this new narrative, Tate coins. So do watch it after this live stream if you have not seen it yet. It was a great quick video. Just information basically. Let's now do the shout out here really quickly. We are live. And the link. Perfect. This is our promotion. And yeah, let's start now. Welcome Clive, welcome Bob Fischer, welcome everyone. Now, the first thing I want to cover really is that Andrew Tate was really active earlier today, and I saw his tweets, and you guys definitely should give him a follow, because he will surely be posting more about meme coins. He's in the game, and he's very active. Like, this is surprising. He even went live. I haven't watched the live stream, but the coins that he showed completely mooned. Completely mooned. And this Andrew Tate burned 11 million of this RNT token. If this is true, this is crazy. I've not seen this. If he burned 11 million of this token, which went to 50 million, this is absolutely crazy. It seems like he wants to kind of even own as a token, you know, not quite as the developer, but as like the, what is this, the marketing man, you know, the man behind those memes. Very interesting what he's doing here. When you burn $37 million of crypto, this is very crazy. I'm not sure if that's even true, but if it's true, it's very crazy. That's what he burned, 32 million. So he burned everything he has, probably because he invested like 10k to my knowledge, and he basically wants to, of course, maintain reputation and make sure it's drug proof, at least from his side. So yeah, very interesting here. And he publicly shared his wallet completely intentionally. And I have his wallet right here, which I'm going to look at just in a few minutes. And yeah, everyone is sending him coins for whatever reason he's asking that. I'm not sure. I told you it's time to crash Solana. Look what I can do. Top G is going to burn it all. I almost read this. This would have been very bad. But yeah, lots of things here for sure. He invested in quite a bunch of coins. Burnt wallet address is here. Obviously, lots of engagement here as well. Very, very exciting. So this money was sent to me in free public wallet in the quote tweet below. So this is really crazy. I'm not sure how much of this he bought with his money. But yeah, you guys can scroll this yourself as well. There is quite a bit of information, like lots of things to pay attention to. And give him a follow, turn on the notifications because he's active. And you guys can definitely capitalize on this opportunity. And this is his wallet, as you can see here. You can also get it from his Twitter. He publicly shared it. And this is one of his wallets. So he has multiple, that's for sure. We saw one of his wallets had literally 10 million or 30 million, which he burned. So he has multiple wallets. And those transactions are just people sending him tokens. But what you want to pay attention to is this DeFi activities beta section. This is what he himself is purchasing. Those are the coins. And he likes spotted fun coins. So 25 minutes ago, he had just little small transaction for this token. Not sure what is this about, but sometimes they're very small. This one, for example, he bought for 70 SOL, and that's 10k dollars. This one as well, 70 SOL, and this one 70 SOL. Three different coins. And lately, just a few hours ago, he's just buying for, I don't know, $1, $2, $3. So those most likely are the fees. Not sure what those transactions are about, but keep an eye on his wallets. Those are public. Just go to solscan.io. You can basically copy trade, even manually. Whenever he buys a coin, you guys should definitely take a look at what he's buying. Those are potted fun coins right here. And you can get those wallet addresses just by clicking on the coin. And as you can see here, this is the coin's name that he was buying. We can even check it out about fun. But yeah, he also bought this coin, but it was just a few dollars. And this one actually dumped because he did not tweet about this, unfortunately. So I had some hopes for this, that if he tweets, this might moon. Unfortunately, it didn't happen. But he bought this coin with his wallet. I'm going to close it now. And as you can see here, I mean, when you go to the screener, all of the coins are Tate coins, which is very insane. You can see the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one, sixth one is the one that he bought, seventh one, then ninth. So as you can see here, it's full of him. And this is the main coin, RNT, not gonna read the name, but very high up, looks very bullish as well, surprisingly. Like it was moving in a very healthy pattern, like very helpful momentum, healthy. And let's analyze this as well. So I actually made a video about, I mean, I just covered those coins. I did not put any calls or anything. I myself was surprised that those coins are going so high up. And I posted a video about this coin at like 10 million. So this has done 12x since that time, which is very crazy. As the first thing I kind of see here is this resistance level, now the support. And let's also draw the Fibonacci here. And I obviously myself, I'm against riding the waves. So I wouldn't be buying the tops here, no matter how bullish is the coin, but I am about buying the dips. That's what I really like. And as you can see here, my favorite level would be 0.786, but I would think it's going to come down to 0.6818 or even bounce from this equilibrium level, which is the average price, because there is the resistance and the support at this 0.5 level. So it's going to be interesting to see how it's going to play out. But this coin, I mean, at most is going to give you like 50% bounce, maybe 100% bounce. So obviously highly risky. You guys do your own research. But look at dips. Get out the Fibonacci tool. Very easy to use. And just see whether it's going to hold this level. If it's going to break down, see if it holds this. If this level is going to break down, see if it bounces from this. And then when a strong candle, like a 5-minute candle or a 50-minute candle closes, and it bounces actually back, then it's a sign to enter. And the volume is crazy, 200 million. What's up, Nick? How are you? Welcome, Marlon. Doing really amazing, and there are some very exciting news. So, like, I'm really pumped today. I love when there is much action happening because sometimes we have dryness, not much action, not much coins, but we have a huge resurrection today. This is very crazy. And I'm going to read the chat in just a little bit. I want to keep the flow in right now. And by the way, this circle is when I made the video. Obviously, it was not a call, just the video, just education. And it was at just 4 million or 5 million. And then it went to 50 million in just 1 hour. And it was shocking to me because it made its all-time high at 10 million and then it started to decrease in its price action and in its volume, as you can see here. And I was thinking that is a classic case when the coin has just one wave and the trend is very short-lived, just a few hours long, that is going to die here. I thought this is going to happen. And then it just reversed, volume kicked in, because he went live on Rumble to my knowledge. And he continues to tweet now, very actively. So this trend will be the trend of today and of tomorrow, that's for sure. So it's going to stay around for a few days. So the opportunity is not yet over, actually. You guys should still look at those dip levels, because that's when you want to get in. Like right here, it made all-time high 50 million, and it bounced back perfectly. First of all, from this 0.618 Fibonacci level, as you can see here, and it bounced back so many times, like 1, 2, 3, I don't even know how much to count here, but loads of times. And each time, it made 2x gains right here. Look how well it's holding this level. Look, 1, 2, 3, it's literally dancing around this level. And if you bought here anytime, this would have been safe 2x, literally multiple times. So very nice, and it happened to align with this previous resistance as well. And then this is now as well the support. So it's not only Fibonacci level anymore, now it's the support level as well. So this is very strong right here. And no surprise that it's bouncing. Whenever it comes back to this level, see if it bounces back, guys. And then you can trade on this level. You could have done so for multiple hours. You had so many opportunities here already. So very interesting. And the trend is not over. It's going to continue. And he's all over the X screener. So this is going to be very interesting. This coin, for example, as well, did literally 33x. But it was before he tweeted, I'm not sure, or after his tweet. It had like a massive resurrection after this pump. Not sure, but as you can see here, some coins do die out. So it's about those two right now. This one, 50 million, and this one currently at 42 million. This one I'm going to close. I suspect that it's now there, unfortunately. And this one as well, so only $450k in market cap. Just sideways movement, consolidation. So this isn't really a good play in my opinion. There is no bullishness, no volume, no nothing anymore. In the last 5 minutes there is no volume. So yeah, this will close. This one as well went to 3 million. You could have still made loads of money here, but even from this pattern, it just looks like a pump and dump kind of coin. So the difference here is that this coin right from the beginning had a very bullish, healthy pattern, healthy momentum and consistent volume. So that's the difference. This did have a weird dump, but yeah, this is now over for this particular coin, unfortunately. This one Tate bought as well, and this as well has a weird pattern, just weird movement. Basically, it went up, then downstairs, another pump, and downstairs again. So I'm going to close this one, but it obviously went up a lot because he tweeted about this coin, and you could have made, is this like 3.5x or 4.5x, I'm not sure, but loads of money to be made here. Roaring Kitty was also live today. This was a live stream. I watched it like halfway through because, yeah, it just wasn't that educational in my opinion. It was like a meme live stream. And yeah, he shared some things, some plans there. And 600,000 people watched it live. This is what's crazy. And we caught this dip right here in our private community. So this was a coin GME 2.0, and at 0.786 level, this was literally the perfect dip, which I hope some of you guys at least caught, and it was 3.3x at most play, but realistically got to secure profits at 50% and 100%. But this was the first call, went very nicely. So capitalizing on the trend, obviously, this was before the live stream. Literally the perfect dip, call in the private community. And this one as well, this one was Father Satoshi Nakamoto. And I'm not sure what this trend is about, if it's even a trend, but I just saw a bullish chart right here. Like bullish higher lows, bullish momentum. I first saw it at 200k, then it went up to like 600k, and this is where I made the call. Because as you can see here, 0.618 Fibonacci level aligned with this resistance to support flip, as you can see here. So this strategy I very love, and especially when support level is combined with a Fibonacci level, this is even more bullish. This is more safety and more likely to bounce. So it bounced perfectly from this call. Actually, it went down a bit first. From the support, it went down to this Fibonacci level. It fake outed down, but the 5-minute candle closed on the green. So some of you might have panicked here and sold because you might have thought that it went below the level, and it did. But it's important to see where is the candle going to close before taking out your loss or holding the coin. That's important. So it closed above the level, perfect, and then it did a 3.6 or 3.5x at most. But you need to take out, actually this did even more, yeah, 4x. But realistically you need to take out 2x's and stuff. So 2 great calls in the private community. You guys can check it out. Just 1 or 2 trades would cover the membership. So yeah, we're going now. Oh, this was a bad coin, a bad king of the hill. Hope you guys did not see it. So yes, there are some weird coins here. But yeah, let's keep the stream going. We're going to be exploring all of those. You guys can chill. Potted fun coins and Dex screener coins. Those are the meta of today. And it's really exciting, guys. I hope you are enjoying the live stream. Hope you guys are enjoying the live stream. 24 people and welcome everyone. And I'm actually going to look at some new Tate coins. And we'll keep an eye on all of those. As you can see here, this is making a new all-time high. This is exciting because this is the resistance right now. So it hasn't broken it yet, as you can see here. The candle didn't close above. This candle wicked above the resistance, but it closed below. And this one hasn't closed yet. So what we are looking at here is for this to flip this resistance and come back to the support level. This would be golden opportunity. So this is what we are waiting for, and it can very well reject because it's resistance, right? We literally don't know whether it's going to break through or reject from the resistance. This we want to see confirmation for. Where is the candle going to close? That's important. I'm going to close this. I am going to maybe I'm going to keep it open actually. I want to open this coin, for example. Wow, $10 million market cap coin. A new one just 2 hours ago. So the trend is just heating up. And this looks bullish right away from the chart. Higher lows here. But I wouldn't be buying the top. As you can see here, it never quite dipped. Actually, it did dip 2 times to the Fibonacci level, and you guys should start using Fibonacci if you're not using it yet. Because take a look at this. All-time high, 14 million, comes back to this level. That's like minus 60-65%. Completely healthy dip. Comes back to this level, bounces for, I don't know, 30%. So this is not much. Actually, 50%. You could have already taken out your profits here. And as well, this level aligns with this previous resistance. So perfect. When resistance and support align with Fibonacci, even better. Then it touches second time, as you can see here, and now it's reversing. So you had 2 dip opportunities to buy, and yeah, wait for a new dip right here as well. Clearly in the meta, clearly in the narrative, and take a look at this volume. It looks completely majestic. And those coins are just heating up. Look at this one. It might break through the resistance. So let's open more coins. Literally every single one we can find. And give you all of those plays. By the way, this coin is now number 1. Very, very bullish looking. This one is a low market cap one. So there might be higher potential here. Because take a look at the volume, 8 million. This one has 3 million only. So there is way more volume in this coin, and it's lower market cap. And this one from the chart looks bullish as well. So this might be an interesting play here. Take a look at this one, guys, for sure. Let's take a look. So it's now trading at the average price, equilibrium, 0.5. So it's not really at a discount at the moment. But before, as you can see here, it bounced again from this 0.618 level, the previous all-time high, 1, 2, 3, 4 times, and then it went up, as you can see here. And from this resistance, it really rejected. I mean, it went really down. Just a little bit above it, and then it went down again. So, good busy play. If it touches this level again, 0.618, which it's about to. If it's going to touch 0.786, I would be afraid that it might now be there. But still, it might bounce because there is the resistance, support, support, support. So still, even if the coin is down, at this point, you can still get like 50% out because even dying coins bounce. So in order to keep the bullish momentum, we want it to bounce from this level and not this. But technically, both of those will work. Both of them are discounts. And let's keep looking now. Let's keep looking. This one as well. But this looks dead, right? $500K in market cap. And as you can see here, no more momentum. So this one most likely is gone already. That's for sure. It completely broke through all of the levels. So yeah, I'm going to close it. This one, 400K. Yeah, this one is dead as well. Let's take a look. There are 2 coins with the same name. So this one is a new one. 800K. Looks clearly bearish now. So I'm just going to close it really. Just downtrend momentum here. But let's keep an eye on those. As you can see here, this rejected from the resistance. As you can see here, there were 2 wicks, but those candles closed below the resistance. So you might have thought when it's wicking above here that it finally broke through the resistance, but it really didn't. You have to wait where candles close. So it looks like it's rejecting. This one looks very hot. And let's see what this one is going to do when it comes to this level. I haven't seen this before. 300K only, but there is loads of volume, 4.5 million. But yeah, recently there is non-existent volume, just 13K. So it's new coin as well. Most likely Fibonacci isn't even going to apply to it. Actually, you kind of can see it hitting this level again, once, twice, almost thrice. So yeah, this still works in this coin. However, I wouldn't trade it. It's not established enough in my opinion. Let's find something new here. This one, bottom G, 1.1 million. Might be interesting here. It kind of looks like it was downtrending. It's now forming higher lows again. So let's take a look. But this, as you can see here, the initial pump was in the beginning. So looks completely bearish in my opinion. It was a part of the fund launch. It's dancing at this 0.786 level as you can see here. But yeah, no volume. And if there is no volume, there is no trade. Then there is no trade. Tate Brothers. 300k might be interesting here. It does completely have volume even though it's decreasing. But at the moment it's sufficient. 35k is great. So this is dancing around this Fibonacci level. And I wouldn't say it's bullish. Momentum is getting lost. There is this head and shoulders pattern as you can see here. And it's not sufficient volume. Let's see if we can find any more Tate coins. For example, this one is the last one I'm going to check. And then we'll switch to Parrot Fun because on Parrot Fun, there must be even more coins. But yeah, from this pattern, as you can see here, clearly pump and dump, it clearly doesn't look healthy and doesn't look attractive. But this is the meta right now. And he will keep tweeting, that's pretty sure. I mean, it's not even really him half the times, I'm pretty sure. It must be his team, his management, his assistant who helps him to tweet. So even during the night, I would assume he will be active. And he burned 30 million, 37 million. If that's true, that's insane. So he's posting even now. And he's hosting spaces. So if we had spaces, right, is he online still? Oh no, it's not him. But yeah, if he was online, we could be checking it out. There was 50k people. A bit unfortunate that we missed it. But yeah. Very interesting meta here. As you can see here, this coin bounced. As I told you guys, by the way, this is the first coin we analyzed. I drew the resistance level to you, previous resistance, and then support, resistance, flip to support, and then it bounced back perfectly from support level as coupled with this Fibonacci 0.5 level. So double confirmation. We have convergence there, and it already bounced like, I don't know, 30%, almost 50 even, 60% if you caught this call from the beginning of this stream. And that's really bullish. When coins bounce back from the first levels, especially when they converge here with support level, I mean, they're going to keep going usually because that's a bullish sign. There's lots of bullish momentum. So if coins come back down to this level, they usually lose their momentum and they have like just a few more pumps between they completely do go down. So another example here would be this Mazarigi, a very crazy coin, which had the exact same move. It bounced as well from 0.5 level, which means bigger coins have smaller corrections when they're bullish, up to 50% usually. Let's take a look at this. And it went to 200k, and it's now exactly at 0.5 level. So let's see if it bounces back from here. We really don't know here. We got to wait for the confirmation for a big candle to close. And so far, this candle is closing above this level, so it's trading right at the average price. But as you can see here, the all-time high at 100 million came back as well to this 0.5 level and kept going. And this is literally the same chart as the Tate coin. Compare those two charts right now, guys. Compare those two charts. Look at this. I think this one, yeah. This one and this one looks pretty much identical. Different numbers here, but it looks very similar. They both bounced from 0.5. And this one, after bouncing, went to form another all-time high. So very crazy stuff here. 0.5 bounces are at an average price, but it means coin is bullish. So that as well is a good entry if the coin looks bullish. This one as well is bouncing from 0.5 level and kind of has those higher lows right now. Interesting to see what is going to happen. This one as well bounced from this level. 10 million. It's literally number one. And they all have loads of volume. This is very, very nice. Very insane. Yeah, support and resistance, they are very helpful. But this is literally the basics right here. Fibonacci support and resistance levels. And you guys should learn this for sure. This is really helpful and they 100% work. Not all the time, and you shouldn't use them as your entries and exits, right? This should be just one of your tools. You got to use multiple signs, right? You still got to analyze, like for example, is Tate actively tweeting? Is this trend going to live for at least a few hours? What is the website, the socials, everything? You should still do the background research, right? So this analysis is just like cherry on top, I would say. You shouldn't really rely on this. This is like one of your tools. Fibonacci retracements. Yeah, use Fibonacci. Let's take a look at your coin. Someone showed in the live chat. I'm going to check it out real quick. And you guys can drop your shows here for sure. I'm going to take a look at this coin. 130k market cap, 150k. And then we'll switch to Parrot.fun. And by the way, guys, go take a look at Tate's wallets. Get all of his wallets from his X profile and start tracking them. As you can see here, there was a transaction literally 3 minutes ago. Token swap. So this is just like $4, but he bought a token for a little. I'm not sure why. If it's a fee or something, but he got this token right here. So he likes those tokens with this for some reason. This is clearly his thing here. Like, yeah, here as well. I'm going to take a look whether we can find it here. Yep, he just created this coin or bought this coin 3 minutes ago for just a few bucks, as you can see here. Not quite sure which wallet this is. This is his wallet, as you can see here. It should be. He created this coin and he bought this little transaction here. Interesting. I don't know what he's doing here. But there is something cooking, as you can see here, guys. He literally has a wallet. Take a look. DeFi activities. He made another transaction here. Actually, wait. What is going on here even? This is the coin. So yeah, let's go back. This is his account. DeFi activities 5 minutes ago. He created or bought this token. You can see here 0.0298. And this is his transaction. And this is the same wallet. So he bought for one SOL. I don't know what he's doing here. And this might very well pump if he tweets about it. And he also made this post literally like 5 minutes ago. If you look at his profile, this he and Cops right here 10 minutes ago, pretty viral tweet already. And this is the coin about this. So I'm not sure what he's doing, but do track his wallets, guys. I actually will get his second wallet if we can. There was his wallet earlier here to my knowledge. Let's take a look. I found just one earlier, but there are more. He has more wallets. So this one, let's take a look for JR, whatever it is. If it's the same one. Yeah, this is the same wallet. Yeah. So he posted just one wallet, I think. Get the wallet, guys. I actually will paste it in the live chat if you want to. Let me do it really quickly. For you guys, you can just check the wallet if you want to, and perhaps get some nice gains from this. 37 people watching. If you're new, guys, make sure to subscribe with notifications. I'm live literally every single day, and I'm posting videos every single day. So check out the videos and everything. And I promised to analyze this token. Let's take a look at this really quickly. And I can already say that I wouldn't enter it at all, because today is 8th of June. It's been like 10 days. It hasn't been doing anything. So in that case, I wouldn't really look at such coins. We want the coins to have volume, to have interest and everything. 41 people, welcome everyone. Can you analyze Aura? Well, let me know, is Aura on Dex Screener or Pilot Fun? Then we can mitigate the confusion. So Roaring Kitty as well is very trending. And look at this, it's all Trump. Some Chinese, because Chinese was the meta yesterday. Very, very interesting. Roaring Tate. Midget Tate. So yeah, lots of Tate coins. This as well. And yeah, keep shilling coins in the live chat, guys. We're going to be exploring all of them. But look, it's all Tate. Tate, 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 Tate. Here as well. So yeah, it's full of Tate. Let's find some nice coins at the moment. And we are going to keep an eye on all of those here. This rejected from the resistance. Those were the calls from the private community of mine. Those two right here. This still at 10 million. This is now at this level. All right, let's see. And if there are any new coins, we're going to open literally every single one of those. GameStop, Roaring Kitty, obviously still in the meta for sure. And yeah, let's see if this bounces from here, because this candle is looking to close above. It looks like it's bouncing right now. I bought it, but didn't. So you bought this coin, but it didn't go through. Well, sometimes the transactions fail, and you just got to restart the transaction, initiate another one. So you got to recheck whether it actually goes through. And do not use Radium, use TrojanBot actually, or use Photon. Those two are the fastest for sure. Let's take a look at this coin. And let me look at some other coins as well. This is also Tate's coin because he had the beef with Greta before. It was very viral. So it's in the trend. This one as well. I'm going to be looking at all of them. And welcome everyone to this live stream. Luke as well, Tate's cousin or someone. It's certainly in the trend. Let's take a look at this one. We now have 5 coins opened. This as well. This looks interesting because there are replies. Now let's take a look at this. 3 still volume. Nice. But I think those coins are solely going to be narrative trend coins basically. They won't really have any impressive socials, any impressive website. I assume they would have no website because there's just trend-based tokens. They don't regard that much effort. So it's about charting the trend. As you can see here, loads of bump transactions, very interesting. Let's join the Telegram. So those are a bit harder to analyze, I have to say, because a trend, it's just enough to have a trend, you know. So those coins are in the trend, and it's enough for them to pump. They don't need to have any other things really. Trend plus community. This one only 23 members. Certainly on the lower end. Dex Parrot King of the Hill. I wouldn't join this. It's certainly too small in terms of the community. And also have to note, guys, that the first coins are going to pump the hardest, right? So those coins, they have been created hours ago, they're more established now, and copycats in the trend are going to perform, but they won't really go as high. That's something I want to emphasize here. So most likely, because everyone is trying to capitalize with the trend now, loads of developers are literally creating Tate coins every single second. I mean, I'm pretty sure you can see it if you sort this by creation time. Tate, 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 Tate. So literally thousands of coins about Tate are being created every second. So there is loads of competition going on. And out of thousands of coins, only dozen or a few hundred will perform. So there is competition and they won't really go as high because of that. That's something I want to emphasize here. Developer holding 50%, that's certainly no go. That's no go. This most likely rock pulled, but it's now looking to recover. This might be interesting because second wave coins we love. Dick Screener, welcome, happy to have you here. So this looks completely clean. This bubble map section. None of them really have websites, as you can see here, guys. They just have the meme. And it is a wild day indeed, like very crazy. I'm still shocked that all of those coins are performing so crazily. So there is volume. Let's join the Telegram. And hopefully we can find some place here for you guys. But this is just education, right? So I'm just helping you to analyze the coins. Whether I find them by myself or whether you show them to me, guys. So this link doesn't work here. Telegram doesn't work. So it's just education. And you should make your own decisions whether you want to buy in because I told the coin looks good or not. I just want to make it easier for you guys to make the right decision basically. But decision should be yours. So this clearly was rock pulled here. There is a new Telegram. So I'm going to join CTO. And loads of those coins, why they are going to be risky here is that trend-based coins usually go just the rising wave, you know. They might not dip down at all. I can't do this right now. That's unfortunate. That's unfortunate. So I'm going to keep it open, but I can't really join the Telegram, unfortunately, at the moment. This one has already rocked. This one has rocked. I wanted to make a point, but I forgot what I was speaking about, honestly. So this at 12k. Let's take a look. There finally is a website. Actually, nope. Just the Telegram. Oh yeah, I wanted to say that lots of those coins are not going to dip. So trading trend-based coins, you sometimes do have to enter right at the top, which does make it very risky, right? So trend-based coins really need momentum. That's why they don't dip. And if they do, it's going to be lethal for them, for those small ones. So those big ones, you want to catch the dips. But small ones need momentum to go in this straight wave straight to radium. This is the difference, right? Small coins need that momentum. Straight to radium, you need to ride the wave. But bigger coins, you need to get into the dips, of course. Lots of people talking here. But only 32 members, yeah, that's an issue here. But Dex is paid, if that's true, and there is the proof, then this is very nice. But what is the market cap here? Let's take a look. They're very hard to analyze in my opinion. I mean, whole distribution, you should always take a look at the volume and everything, but it's solely based on trend. It's trend trading, right? So it's hard to tell me. It's for me hard to tell something here. I would love the community to be bigger. So someone here is saying rug. Bubble map has a 9%, which I didn't really see. But if it's true, 9% is indeed more than someone should hold. I mean, at most 5%. And yep, there is this 9% link, and someone tried to hide it in 3 different wallets. So there is that issue right here. We're going to keep it open. It's exciting still, but it's hard to analyze them, I have to point out, because it's different than usual. And they have no websites. This is interesting. This is why they're so hard to analyze. Those coins are basically quickly made and very low effort, but still they can make you money, you know. That's why we're exploring those coins. But this chart just doesn't look really healthy. There is one link, 7%. This is acceptable, I would say. Not ideal, but acceptable. But I don't like the pattern here. Really looks like it's going down. This one maybe looks like it has a bunch of replies. More or less healthy chart. It does look very short term though. As you can see here, there is no volume. Like 5 minutes ago, there were some transactions, but yeah, it's very, very shallow. And that's an issue. Those coins need momentum. No website either. As you can see here, there is no thought behind this, right? So just a low quality picture from his Instagram or somewhere, just Google, and then this 2.0, right? So those coins really have low effort, everything, you know. So this looks clean, but yeah, I don't really like it. If there is no volume, those trend coins ain't going to perform. That's for sure. Let's take a look at all the coins. This is about to perhaps go break through this resistance or reject again. So we're going to see here, but it's trying again. It looks obviously very bullish with this insane volume. 5-minute volume 1 million. I mean, this is just top notch. This looks great as well. Just those higher lows. Higher lows. This one as well looks very short term, but it does look great. You know, like long term on a large scale. This we'll keep an eye on. This, let's keep an eye on this as well. And this. And let's look for something new now. This one is about to go to radium, so going to be interesting. Someone is owing 10% though. That's something we can see right away. And there is just his wallet here. As you can see, he has the website, so there is no website unfortunately. One link of 5%, acceptable, that's for sure. There is a very small thread section. That's Top G's wallet. Top G holds 10%, so Top G, Andrew Tate, created this coin or bought this coin with 10% worth of the supply, as you can see here. And this is the reason why it's pumping. And most likely you would have seen this from his wallet. If you're tracking his wallet, this is, yeah, you just got to look which one is it. Which one is it? But if it's him holding, I would say that looks bullish for sure. I'm not sure why he's doing this. Just like buying into different coins, but yeah. So this is what again. Let's take a look at the Telegram now. How you doing? Penny's trading, welcome. I'm doing great. Very excited about this trend. While checking the bubble map with the token, yeah, I mean with the token, I'm checking literally every single time. Because the more the links, the sketchier the coins are. They got to be clean, and this basically helps you to mitigate getting rug pulled. So I do think bubble maps are extremely useful, because if someone buys from the supply, right, like whatever percentage, maybe 10%, and you can't see it from the holder distribution. It looks clean from the looks of it, but when you go to the bubble maps, that 10% can be in 3, 4, or 5 different wallets, and then you can clearly identify it from there, and it's like a caution, like a precaution basically. So I really like this new tool. Hi Nick, good to see you Friday. Welcome to this live stream, Peanut Butter. Do you think there is Top G as real Top G? Well, I don't know. It's a good question. I don't really follow Andrew Tate. Like when he posts Memecoin stuff, yes. I've seen a bunch of content that he had earlier. And some of the things I agree with, some of the things I don't. So I really don't have an opinion actually. This looks quite active, 1 heart members and 43 in the voice chat. Not much pinned messages though. But yeah, Tate looks like he bought it and even tweeted about this, maybe, that's not sure. But let's see when it goes to Radium. This is going to be exciting for sure. This dumping now, this is the issue here. When there is no momentum, coins are going to die here, that's for sure. And when they can't even smash 10k, 15k, it makes it extremely risky. So whenever they reverse, it's instantly very lethal for trend-based coins. Let's now open a few more. This one is a GME trend coin. Let's take a look at this because it's also in the trend. You can see volume kicked in like crazy. And here as well, there is no good profile, no socials. There is just a meme. And it's enough to make some money. This is nice. I mean, acceptable, not ideal. 4.5% in 2 wallets. That's basically the same as someone owning 4.5 in 1 wallet. So it really makes no difference, it's fine, I would say. This thread section is small, but yeah, I'm noticing that trend-based coins have really small communities and really small thread sections. There was no volume whatsoever, as you can see here, for quite a while. But we're going to keep an eye on this when this hits Radium. Because loads of those coins which are migrating, those trend-based coins, they hit Radium quite feasibly. Those random coins like this, Larry, Snail, those ones are going to have a hard time keeping up the momentum, keeping up this great volume. But trend-based coins, they're going to be discovered because people are looking to buy into those coins. There's the meta, there's the trend, the narrative. So those have a easy time pumping on Radium, especially when they migrate from Pirate Fund. And all of those coins, to my knowledge, are Pirate Fund launches. Correct me if I'm wrong here. We can verify this, but we won't because it's going to take lots of time. But they should be from Pirate Fund. Those coins in his wallet, every coin that he bought here. So F. Tristan, Aaron Tate, as you can see here, this is Aaron Tate. And those are Pirate Fund, as you can see here. Platform Pirate Fund. This one at least is Aaron Tate. This is Radium. Radium, Pirate Fund, Pirate Fund, Pirate Fund, Pirate Fund. Just 2 Radium coins here. So those coins, when they go to Radium, is going to be exciting for them. Very, very exciting. Let's just keep refreshing. As you can see here, this one is already in Radium. Already in Radium. Just like 1 minute. But it's different meme, right? So it's GME. About GME, I'm not that optimistic right now. But about Tate coins and Radium, those I'm bullish on for sure. At least I'm excited to see. How is it going to perform? Let's keep looking now. And guys, by the way, if you're new, make sure to subscribe with notifications. This is very important. I'm streaming literally every single day, posting every single day, and we have the free Discord in this live chat pin message. Join it, guys, because I'm online there all day long. You can talk to me, you can ask any questions, you can connect with the rest of the community, you can learn from each other, from me. So it's basically another step, another layer in our community, as well as Telegram codes channel. I'm dropping quite a bunch of codes here. We also have private exclusive codes now, by the way, a private community, and this was the call today. 3.3x potential, the perfect dip. GME 2.0 before Rodent Kitty's live stream. This as well was 3.5x potential coin. So check this out, guys. 1 or 2 plays from the private community will cover the membership. So the goal is for everyone to win here. And the purpose is to make the money back, of course. So let's look at the bubble maps right here. Completely clean. There is a website. Finally a coin with a website. This is nice. This matrix background, but orange. Nice. And there is some sort of a text, but we won't read this. As you can see here, matrix. UK, Romania, Russia, USA. There is the market here. Tatenomics. So there is effort put in, that's for sure. Those are for sure custom made, custom drawn. So this looks great because average narrative coin of Tate has no website. There is no website. So whenever a coin has, that's great. And it's a slow moving one, as you can see here. So might be a safer type of coin. You don't have to ride the first wave on this one. Tokens burnt. This is great. This is great. Let's take a look. The volume, I would assume, is not that active because it's a slow moving coin, but it does have this bumping bot here. As you can see here, this wallet right here. I'm going to join the Telegram, but keep in mind that all of those coins are very risky. I do want to emphasize that it's not free money. You still got to know what you're doing, and with trend, I do have to point out that it's partly luck. I mean, a lot of this is luck when it comes to trend-based narrative coins, you know, because they don't have any background really. No socials, no good, nothing really. So it's largely based on luck here. So it's about picking coins and getting lucky here to an extent for sure. That's something I want to point out. With the trend, this is the case 100%. So this looks more or less active. This is average. I'm looking for 50 plus members and 15 voice chat participants. So this is about average right here. Just one pin message. So take a look at this, guys, do your own research. But this is the first slow moving Tate coin which we discovered. The issue with this might be that if it's not going to send to Radium anytime soon, within the next like 1 day, the trend is going to die and this slow moon is going to die. So ideally, explosiveness and volume is needed here, of course. But take a look at it if you want to, guys. And this one on Radium now, really losing its momentum and volume. I'm going to close it. This one coming back to 0.5 level again. And by the way, I made this call at the start of the stream at 0.5 level. And it went up how much? It went up almost 2x. So if you caught this, such a large market cap coin doing a 2x, this is great for you. Now this clearly has flipped the resistance now, it seems like. So if it comes back down to support level eventually, this is going to be interesting. We're going to keep an eye on this. All right, we'll keep an eye on this as well. Let's keep an eye. This one, by the way, we discarded 12k, but I think it was uncertain. I mean, it still is. It's really a narrative coin, and it has been up 50%, but really wasn't a play in my opinion. It went up, but it really wasn't a play. Now, this is about to go to Radium. This I'm going to close. This one is a new one, King of the Hill. If it goes to Radium, we'll keep it open. But it's glitching right now. I faded Arentian Barrett Fund at 20k market cap. Wow. I mean, I'm sorry to hear that actually, because this is a $50 million market cap coin, 70 million. This literally was like 10x, I mean 10kx or something. Very crazy at 20k, but you never could have known that it's going to go up so high, you know. So there are more opportunities right now as well. I mean, always going to be. And the right thing, well, is to take 2x's out or 50% or 150. So holding for 1000x really isn't the play in my opinion. So regardless, I mean, you would have taken out at like 2x, I hope. Or took out. So yeah, 35%, it is a rock pull here. So we're still checking hollow distribution and everything. This one's the war room. Looks more or less alright. Had some replies, right? This is nice. I mean, the coin, I wouldn't be so sure about it yet. But from the replies, there is some demand for sure. This is AI made for sure. Like all of this. This too. But there is some effort, right? Because average trend coin, has no website, it's still better than nothing. I'm going to check out the bubble maps. One link, completely fine, just 1.5, split into 2 wallets. And welcome everyone if you're new, make sure to subscribe. Very, very important. And leave a like, by the way, good for the algorithm, should be at least. 10 people in the voice chat, 108 members. This is great, certainly, because this coin is moving slowly. It's not the first wave. I mean, it is, but it has been live for hours. So the members are there, they're kind of active, and there was a giveaway or something. He sent 8 million to Tate. Alright, basically it's free promotion, right? If Tate notices the token, he likes the name, he likes the meme, then he's going to ape, make the shout out. So if you send him coins, this can work. We'll pay DEX, but I can see no proof here. So ideally you want to see proof before aping if he's claiming he has prepaid the DEX screener. There's certainly easy buy bot, but the volume is very shallow, as you can see here. Yeah, it's been live for hours. Do your own research here. I have to say it's very uncertain, very hard to tell with those coins. But this is a slow mooner. If you want a safer type of narrative play, which hopefully people are going to discover within the next few hours or few days, you can take a look at this coin, I guess. But they're all very hard and uncertain. Unfortunately, that's the case when it comes to trend coins. This is up like almost 2x. We saw it as a 12k. Going for a second wave, and it's a CTO, so this is actually a rock pulled. I take 50% and 110, so I can keep taking portions and leave a moon back. Yeah, perfect. I mean, if you made profits, that's great. I wouldn't like, what is this, grieve over the loss of this 10k X potential coin. So you made the right thing still. Taking profits as 50% and 100 is great. That's how you should trade. So no regrets, that's for sure. Let's take a look at some new coins, right? This one, for example, looks like it's high up already, but developer has 15%. It's a no-go. It's a no-go for sure. And let's keep refreshing Tate's wallet as well. Whenever he buys a new coin, we'll see it. And let's keep an eye on his X profile. Let's keep an eye on it. He's very, very active. And this we'll love to see, really. Large following and large engagement. There are so many coins regarding you. Which is the official one you want to bring to millions? So this is what I told you guys before. It looks like he wants to be the front man of his coin. This is what it seems like, because he's creating this narrative completely from zero, you know? Probably with this intention, because it's Memecoin season, and Mazurigi, for example, this female grew millions in followers and became popular, even though she was trending and popular and famous before. But she got loads of more popularity from creating this coin and this celebrity narrative. So imagine if Andrew Tate then starts to own a token as the frontman. This is going to be huge for one of the tokens. Most likely, the biggest one is going to be his frontman coin. So either this or this. Those two are very high up. This is going to be exciting. So he's going to announce one coin that he wants to basically be the front man of. I try to sleep, but I can't. It's not over. Nothing is over. It hasn't started yet. Very exciting, I have to say. Very, very exciting. So we can play this. Let's take a look. Can we replay this? Just 10 minutes.
Why did he do?
You guys can listen to it yourself. I'm afraid it might be copyrighted here with this music. But yeah, 10 minutes. There was some kind of a voice chat going on with him. Let's take a look at this one. This one is almost trading level. Yeah, 25%. This is too much. This one is a new one. Brokey. That's an interesting meme. And we finally see a nice effort, custom handmade meme, as you can see here. Even though it's not that great, but it's certainly not AI and not a Google picture, I would guess. Nice distribution. There is no website though. Power maps is clean. Burns happening here. Thread section looks average. A bit small, I have to say. But there is volume. Mainly the bump bot, but there is loads of real volume too. Let's take a look at the Telegram. So let's join the Telegram. Let's take a look. 43 members only, and it's about trading level, so there is a divergence. The community should be way larger. You know, compared to the market cap, it should be like at least 100 members, like bare minimum. They also sent to Top G's wallet, as you can see here. So, interesting. 5% burn. Yeah, not much going on. It's just a meme. We'll keep an eye on this, on Radium. Actually, it's not Radium level yet, only 30k. But 2x at most here. 2x at most. Is this on Radium? This one. It has been migrating for quite a while, like 10 minutes already. So hopefully it's there soon. Let's take a look at this one. 12%, but it looks like there is organic people here. So yeah, big wallets are holding. No website or nothing, yeah. This is completely acceptable. It's a trend-based coin. Loads of volume, looks organic for sure. We'll keep an eye on this, for sure, we'll keep an eye on this. Most likely not the most active Telegram, because it just came out. The coin is very new. Very new. And those could perform on Radium. So they are exciting for Radium. I mean, the play here might be even that you're not trading those coins on Pirate Fun because they're so uncertain on Pirate Fun. Like, we can't find any certain high conviction play here. It's all kind of gamble here and luck. However, when those coins go to Radium, you can more clearly see the picture. They're more established. You can see is volume coming in. Is basically is different. Is going to be different on Radium, the X-Screener. So that might be the play. Basically to wait. Not trade on Pump Fun, but wait till they hit Radium. This one, basically a combination, right? So GameStop and Tate might be interesting. Bubble map. I'm using your strategy filter on Photon. Yeah, great. Hopefully it works for you. And there are two bubble maps right here. A bit sketchy. 7 and 6% are high. High to own. Volume clearly is here. Looks sufficient for sure. I mean, this coin does look the best so far. Still very uncertain because so hard to pick anything from here, but at least it has a double trend, GME and Tate, and the market cap is fair. First waiver at 15k, great, I would say. So do your own research here, but this is the best play so far that I could have, that I found here. This pretty active, 17 people in the voice chat, only 35 members, but none of them really have big communities. So yeah, do your own research, but 15k looks like a fair market cap. Usually it's the perfect time to buy coins because 25k or over, you get way less profit, but 10k or less, they're likely to die very quickly. And so far it has momentum, right? But do not take it as a call. Just analysis, right? Do your own research here. At least this is the best one from what we saw. That's what I want to tell you guys. We're going to keep looking. And we're going to keep an eye on all of those coins right here. This one did like 2 or 3x since we opened it. We saw it at like 15k something, it went to 45k. This is now on Radium. Let's take a look at this. And as you can see here, when the coins go to Radium, this is what you want to see. Those trend coins oftentimes do not dip, because if they're going to lose momentum, they're literally going to die. So this is the only way, in my opinion, to trade the trend narrative-based coins. Now, let's keep an eye on it on Radium. Volume only 11k, let's see. It's a relaunch. So do you mean this one right here, relaunch? Let's take a look. Yeah, relaunch. Relaunches are acceptable, I would say. So this gained no traction, right? And sometimes it glitches too. Like, it might not be a relaunch because sometimes it glitches, like this one coin actually is just one coin. And it shows those two right here, I'm not sure why. But when you click on those, you can see this main coin only. But even if it's relaunch, what I would be hesitant of, if the coin has literally the same name copied and same profile, this would make it low effort, right? And low effort coins are likely to rug. But if a developer launches a coin, it fails, he tries again, it fails, tries again, I would say it's completely acceptable. Because as you can see here, Pirate Fun coins, literally dozens of coins launched every second. And 99% of them never go up in the first place. So it's actually a good thing to do, I would say. To retry, to relaunch your coin that eventually, hopefully, is going to pump. So I wouldn't put this as a red flag. But this is Radium now. Let's keep an eye on this. 24k volume. 100k peak. Forming higher lows. The only issue here, Fibonacci or resistance support, wouldn't really work here. It's simply too early at the moment. And welcome to this live stream, guys, if you are new. Welcome. Join the free Discord if you haven't yet, as well as the free Telegram Coast channel. As you can see here, RNT, this coin, he's promoting this coin now, Diamond Hands, 2 minutes ago. I will announce this when it gets 5k retweets. So most likely he chose this coin after this reached 5k retweets right now. He now adopted this coin. This is what it seems like. As you can see here, a wild pump. Just right now, a few minutes ago. Wow, so he has huge influence here. I think he adopted that coin right now. This coin, RNT. He tweeted about this, Diamond Hands, 3 minutes ago, getting loads of engagement. And this is what he said. He's going to pick one coin to adopt, basically, and be the frontman. And this pumped perfectly from this Fibonacci level, by the way. From 0.618, 30 million. And this did a 2x. Actually, it did 2.7x. That's very great in just a few minutes. Wow. And it pumped right back to the resistance level and rejected a little. So let's see what is going to happen, but this is huge. Volume is 240 million. 5-minute volume 16.7 million. I've actually never seen this before. This is something very crazy. I'm not sure if even this coin had this much volume in the beginning. I don't think I've ever seen so high volume. So he clearly adopted that coin. And this, as you can see here, most likely dumped right away because it was between this coin and this coin. And this at the time was even bigger. It was at 60 million and this was at 25. But he chose this one, so this one dumped now a little bit. It dumped like 50% instantly because it was between those two. So very interesting here. But it did bounce exactly from our support level as well as Fibonacci level. So this clearly works very well, as you can see here. So very nice, loads of volume here as well, 11 million in the last 5 minutes, and it's down 50%. So it was 22 million right here. Very, very crazy. Very, very crazy. And those other coins as well now are going to dump because it shows this one. Maybe, just a theory here. This is going downwards at this current moment. And this one bounced perfectly. As you can see here, we had this support level drawn like, I don't know, 1 hour ago when I started this live stream. And this coin touched it here, as you can see. It just bounced back perfectly, like 2x. If we saw this trade, you guys could have made money here. I could have made money here. So yeah, if you're looking at those levels, they follow those very nicely. Resistance flipped to the support and combined with the Fibonacci level. Wow, 2 to 5x profits here would have been. And take profit levels are those right here. So this from here to here would only be, not only, this would be 2x right here. The next level is 2x already. So at every level on the way up, take your money out, you know. Take your money out. And it perfectly rejected from this, from the average price, from the equilibrium. So yeah, very nice. This one we'll keep an eye on. This is very exciting here. Let's just keep looking here if there is something new happening. And this meta obviously, guys, can make you loads of money. So it's nice that you're watching this live stream and educating yourself about this, because this can make you loads of money today and tomorrow and in the days to come, because this coin is not going away anymore. It's way too established to now go down. It's not going down. It's not really a day-old trend anymore, I think, because he literally adopted this coin. He chose this coin. And he's going to tweet about this every single day. That's pretty sure. That's pretty certain. But other coins can die, so I would be cautious about that. But at least the trend is going to stay to an extent for sure. And this coin for sure is going to stay here. It's more interesting what is going to happen with this, because he chose the other coin. But I would not think that this is going to die. This still will be around for the next few days, I would say. And if you are new, guys, make sure to subscribe. And this perfectly bounced from this 0.5 level, almost perfectly. So oftentimes coins do not touch the levels perfectly, you know. They sometimes fake out, they go below or go above the resistance, depends on the case. But sometimes they won't bounce perfectly, right? But it did bounce from 0.5 level, already up 25%. Already up 25%. This one, let's keep an eye on this as well. I'm going to close it because the momentum is lost here. Certainly going downwards, at least short term. This one, I'll close this one because even though it's holding, it really doesn't have much volume, not much momentum. It's a Tate coin, roaring Tate. It's a double meme, double narrative. But yeah, not really doing much here. Tate bought this coin. 10% apparently. I didn't verify this myself, but the community told so and showed proof. So actually let's keep it open, why not? This still looks pretty hot. It went to King of the Hill. Fifth, yep, it dumped a lot. This is a huge dump, but the developer is holding, so he's still in the game. There must have been some other reason. We'll keep an eye on this, and you can buy the dip if you want to do your own research here. Do your own research. 15k market cap. This one about to go to radium. It's on radium level, should be. Let's refresh. So very soon to be. This one basically sideways for now. Consolidation. This means there is a loss of momentum. We want the momentum to keep going, but the volume is sufficient, so It looks like it's fine for now. And this one, is it the same here? Yep, it's the same coin. All right. I hope you guys are enjoying the live stream. And definitely check out the free Discord and free Telegram coach channel. And earlier today, I really want to show that to you guys. We had the perfect entry in our private community. This was the entry. It was a 3.3x trade at most. So if you took 2x profits, that's already great. Here as well, this was the second call of the day. This was the call here at this support level, and it aligned with this Fibonacci level almost, and this was 3.5x. So this is the private community, guys, just one trade. But I'm posting multiple trades, multiple calls a day. Will cover the membership. And the first 10 people are going to get in for this price, and later it's going to go up. So I'm really doing this for you guys. I so far haven't made much from this. Sure, it's like another stream of income now, but really it's about growing the community. And there is much more value than the investment is here. Literally one trade will cover it, so of course do your own research. Let's take a look at this. And if you have some coins to show, please do so in the chat. I'm going to check out your coins. Loads of volume. There is no websites, no socials here. Tate's wallet address, I actually sent it in the chat, so if you can scroll back, then you should be able to get it. But this is his address here. And I'm tracking it on this stream as well. I think it's really useful, you know. This is how you can make money here. People literally made so much money with this. And this bubble map looks great. And by the way, this community is in the description, the first pin link, if you're interested. And if you are new to Pilot Fun, then just get the free course. 40 plus minutes, I'm basically showing you how to set everything up, how to use the tools. So if you're experienced, the free course won't really help you. But if you're a newbie, if you're just learning, the free course will do you a big favor. There is 30 minutes of beginner level content in the live chat pin message. This is another Tate coin, has a very simple website. Very simple. Still going to check it out though. There is 2 links, that's acceptable. There isn't much transfer to a different wallet. Just 5 and 3%. The issue is this when a coin is below 10k dollars in market cap, they can die very quickly because this going down another 20%, that is back to the baseline market cap. So it really can't dip, you know, this dip is lethal literally. So I'm going to close it. Below 10k, coins can die really quickly. They literally can't dip. This one a Tate coin, but as you can see here, already below 10k. When a coin drops below 10k, I oftentimes count it there. As you can see here, back to 8k now. Another 20% down is back to 6k market cap, back to baseline, and it's ruined completely. It's there. This is kind of in the trend because this is the trend here, right? It's not just Tate, but it's this as well. There are some ethical complications with this trend for sure. Why is this bouncing like this? But yeah, you do your own research. Like, I'm not aping into any coins at the moment, but I'm going to look at all of those off stream, by the way. This is maybe breaking the resistance here, by the way. Very interesting. Yeah, I'm going to keep an eye on all of those. But Pilot Fun coins, full transparency, I haven't traded in the last 10 days. I'm only about trading at the moment. Pilot Fun, in my opinion, is risky and I'm a very safe trader. Even though I do make videos about Pilot Fun, I do know you can make money there. I was actually profitable with Pilot Fun, but it's about knowing when to trade and when to not. I'm not really forcing trades because the money is in the altcoins at the moment. The most established coins. And meme coins will have another wave, but you're better off putting your money into those radium coins at the current moment. So go with the flow, go with the market. And Pilot Fun at the moment is like not the best option in my opinion. when you can have safe trades with literally 5 to 10x return, because those meme coins historically with each wave go up 5 to 10x. Small ones, mid cap ones, high cap ones. So just stack up, prepare. I have a video where I put in like 3k just for this video, 3k dollars into 13 different meme coins. So take a look at that video. Those aren't perfect entries. I'm currently down in the positions, full transparency, but you will never get the perfect entries. And this coin, by the way, just rug pulled in front of our eyes. So it's about DCAing in and DCAing out. So in the long run, if you hold, they're going to go up. Short term, I really don't care what is going to happen. For example, Boden. Boden is down like 30% for me. It's below the support level, but it's a great entry. That's what it means. You buy again and you wait for it to 5 to 10x during the next wave. And I'm giving you a call right now. Obviously not financial advice, do your own research here. But Boden is a strong coin, right at the support level, all-time high 700 million. So definitely coin worth to take a look at. As you can see here, resistance, support, support, support. So it's a little bit below it now. But regardless, I do think it's at a steal right now. All-time high was almost 1 billion. And we know for almost 100% certainty that when the next wave hits, Boden is going to perform. Is going to perform 100%. This is rock now. And by the way, this is the coin's telegram that faded away, I think. So yeah, rug pulls happen and part of fun. But when it comes to those bigger coins, as you can see here, we have a bunch of open coins, 1, 2, 3, 4, and none of them have rugged. Because Radium coins have locked liquidity pool, they're usually good. If the developer doesn't own much, they're usually good. I mean, this isn't going to rug. Only if the holders sell. If they panic, sure, there's going to dump to the bottom. But it won't be a rug pull, you know. So this is the difference. You can go into Radium with more money and expect for a safer type of trade. Safer type of trade. And also on Radium, there is good, you can do good TA, support, resistance, Fibonacci, RSI, EMA. You can utilize all of those. On part of fun, they don't really work, unfortunately. Go and check out this one. Do they have to be Tate coins? I'm not sure about the question, but yeah, you do have to clarify about the question. But if you're trading the narrative right now is the Tate coins, yeah. Bubble map. If you're new, guys, make sure you subscribe with notifications. There is just one link here. This acceptable. So it's not within the trend. It's a different kind of coin. But let's take a look at this. Fed cat. Figlist, cat, and Solana. Let's take a look. Average website, I would say. Nothing really stands out. You say to Shilas, show you coins. The Boden coin, well, it's not a Tate coin, but Boden coin was like the general suggestion. Just a suggestion, not financial advice. Just a shill, because I'm in Boden myself. I think it's a great entry. It's not the trend, but political narrative is a long-term trend, you know. Thread section is really abundant here. Very nice. There is the buy bot working. There is volume, more or less consistent. Very nice. This coin I do like so far. If the community is big, if it's active, this would be very good. But it's a slow Muna, so there isn't most likely many people in the voice chat. Yeah, just 9, but 150 members. It looks great to me so far. This looks great so far. I have been bumping it, micro buys for the past 5 hours. We're gonna continue until we hit Radium. King of the Hill. Yeah, do your own research here, guys. This coin looks pretty good, I would say. At least it doesn't really look volatile. It's a slow Muna, 1 day old. And if the developer doesn't sell in the first 5 to 10 minutes, then the likelihood of getting a rug pulled later is significantly lower. Do your own research with this coin. But this is usually the type of coin I'm looking for. It looks clean and there are clear bullish signs. Thread section looks abundant. Slow mover, healthy chart. There is custom handmade picture. There is a website, not as good, average website, but there is a website. Clean distribution, lots of members in Telegram, and I would say community is pretty active for a slow mooner. And there is the bumping bot, and the developer is holding, hasn't sold yet. So there is completely no red flags. Obviously, he can sell anytime, so own research and own responsibility. But a great coin. It passes my checks. This one, Fat Cat. I'm going to close this one. It was called Copeman. Let's take a look at this. Where is this at now? We have some lag here for some reason. Yeah, it was just loading up. Is this on Radium now? Let's take a look. So this is on Radium now. It has done 2x so far. Let's take a look. Volume is here. Volume is 80k. This might be promising. Let's take a look. We might need to close some tabs. This one, for example. This one, let's take a look. 11k only now. Yeah, looks completely dead. So let's close this. This one has performed very badly. Closing it. This might close, might go below 0.5 level. Let's see. Short term, it looks clearly bearish. Short term, but it's not really established. Just like for 5 minutes. So the play is just to wait to see what is going to happen. Where is it going to go? Let's refresh Dex screener. As you can see here, all of the coins are Tate, literally. There is this Memecoin, GameStop, but yeah, all of the top coins are Tate. Might be higher lows forming here. This rejected from the resistance you can see here. So let's see what is going to happen. But crazy pump when he chose this coin as his main coin. Very crazy pump. Let's see if there's anything new. Yes, last one was this tweet, already 1.3 million views. Any new transactions? 1 minute ago there was a transaction, as you can see here, and 11 minutes ago. This might be interesting. Let's take a look. I'm not the best at navigating this scan, but I'm sure we'll manage. So he bought this coin called Talisman. Minted this token. Let's take a look. He put free SOL. Interesting. And there are some fees he's paying. Let's take a look. Perhaps it's about it fun. Tate on a bike, new coin. How long have you been live for? This is interesting to know. 1 hour 30 minutes, that's nice. So he just created or bought into this coin, Talisman, literally 1 minute ago from his wallet. That's why you should track his wallet. As you can see here, we got this from here, this coin, Talisman. Do your own research here. Let's see if it's going to pump. Literally 2 minutes ago, as you can see here, token swap, this is transaction, Talisman coin, platform Pirate Fun. You guys can get the name. His name is Talisman. And his wallet should be somewhere here. One of those wallets. Might be the first one. I don't know if he's the owner. But yeah, let's take a look what is going to happen here. Also this coin, another one he bought. Let's take a look. Binance something. So this is the token here. He put in free SOL here, it looks like. I'm not sure. But fun. Some fees here probably. Let's copy this token's address. Let's take a look. This was 10 minutes ago. Let's see if we can find it from here. So it's the same coin actually. It's the same coin. So he had some transactions with that coin. And it now has dumped, right? So I'm not sure what he's doing here. Nope, it's holding still. Interesting. Yeah, I'm not quite aware what he's doing here. But he is clearly involved with this coin. Was Tate wallet? This is his wallet, as you can see here. Going to go back. This is his wallet. You can get it from the live chat. I actually sent it before. Or you can get it from here, from his X profile. You just screenshot the picture or save the photo. And from your gallery, you just basically get it from. You click on it and you copy. And he apparently burned 30 million of this token, top G. Burn, as you can see here. And this is crazy. That's what he burned. Very, very huge. Very huge. And he's active right now on his wallet. So guys, do save his wallet. Just get it. Start tracking it. Because he's going to be active like every single day. Now that he has this coin and this meta going for him. And all of the coins are performing very nicely. They're all holding strong, looking bullish. And looks like it's just heating up, you know. Certainly not over for this trend. Even this coin. We saw it in Parrot Fun. And this went to 2 hard K. Now 1 hard 30K. And there is sufficient volume. So interesting what is going to happen. This we saw at 15K. It's now up like 25%, 30%. So nice. Finally breaking out from this consolidation. Take a look at this. And developer is still holding, right? He's holding, so if he has been holding for an hour, he hasn't sold yet. I mean, you're less likely to get drugged from this, I would say. Do your own research here. But it did look better than the rest of the narrative coins. Did look better. Now this, I'm not sure what is happening with this. He was involved with this token literally a few minutes ago, and it now has dumped. I don't think he sold his token. That's for sure not the case. But this looks like his wallet, isn't it? To my knowledge, this looks similar to... actually, it should be the exact same as it is here, right? He bought this coin 100%. There should be his wallet somewhere here. Like there should be. Maybe he put a name to his wallet, so we can't see the address, but yeah. We're going to close this because this has now dumped. This has now dumped, unfortunately. And this rocked as well. And yeah, it's trying to recover. As you can see here, people tried to push it back. It went up like 3x from the bottom, didn't it? So it did recover quite a bit. Yeah, as you can see here, 4x I think from the bottom. This one is a new one. I haven't seen this one before. First waiver, let's look at the bubble map. There is one, but it's acceptable. 6.7%. No socials here, just the Telegram. Trades. There is sufficient volume, that's for sure. Let's join. And they don't even have a Telegram, they just have this Tate speech, which is his official Telegram. Look at this, loads of subscribers, loads of members. So there is not a single social here. It is bad because the community can't talk, they can't connect. There is this right here, but if in the thread section, then less people will find it. He basically failed, because once you create a coin, you can't really change the socials later on. If you create a website later, you can't even add it here. That's when you should have a website and everything pre-made. That's important. Does burnt mean they cannot sell it? I mean, it means that the tokens are burned, they're gone. They don't own the tokens anymore. And this basically creates demand for the token. It rises, what is this? The price, basically. And it's basically a transparent sign that he promised the burn and he has delivered the burn. So it's good for two reasons. Voice chat, 5 participants, 17 members, but they do need to send proof. This is very shallow, by the way, small numbers. So if they have burn proof, this is nice. Burns create demand for the token. I'm not sure exactly how it's like professionally explained, but it basically creates demand. There is less tokens in circulation, there is less supply. And it's a promise which he delivered, so it's nice. And Tate burned 37 million. It means he literally threw $37 million of real money into a bonfire which he technically could have sold and cashed out. So it was unrealized gain, right? It was inside a coin and he burned, so his money is gone. But he did it to maintain reputation, right? Because imagine if he cashed out this 30 million to real money, to his bank or whatever, he could have done it. However, his image would have been ruined because he would have dumped on his entire audience, you know? So this is why he burned. He basically made a truck proof and showed that he's a transparent guy in terms of that. And of course, Smart Fun guys do this as well. But yeah, this coin, no Telegram, no nothing. I don't know. High up as well at $30K in market cap. Let's take a look at our previous coins. This is the coin that he adopted. Looks very interesting. Wait, which coin did he burn for? Actually, I'm not sure. It was not RNT. RNT, I mean. It was for some kind of top G coin. It might have been this. We can actually recheck it. But first, let's recheck if he's active here. Nope, the last transaction 10 minutes ago. But yeah, this burn, as you can see here, top G. This is the profile of the token. So it was this coin actually. Look, same profile, same name. So he burned 30 million of this token, but he adopted this token instead. So yeah, interesting. Let's see if he posted. But do follow him and turn on notifications because you want to get in early on those opportunities now. If you want to capitalize on this, you know. And private community, guys, I'm going to be dropping all the plays I can find, all the TA for you guys, for the private guys, and we'll make some money together, that's for sure. So link is in the description if you're interested in that. This one is a new one, Tate Brothers. Looks great from the profile picture right away. It does look handmade, but look at this dip. It looks lethal completely. Maybe the developer sold. Nope, he's holding. Not sure what's happening then. Sometimes what's interesting is that even if the coin is legit, if the developer isn't intending to rug pull anyone, sometimes they drop and just go down because of the community. That's also the case. But the developer sold here, as you can see here. So this was looking nice, but obviously has now sold out. This is him, Brothers. He sold for 3.4 so. And he most likely bought for, I don't know, he bought 15. So even more. So clearly this was a rug from the beginning and he just kept selling. So yeah, that's why you always got to check the transactions and of course the holder distribution because it was clearly a scam and lots of people were oblivious to it. This is crazy. Thank you, excited about this program. Yeah, you're welcome, Blake. Happy to have you here. Happy to have you. Certainly, we do want to capitalize on this trend. This is going to be exciting few days for sure. Like I'm excited to give you those calls, guys, every day. Of course, because it's effortless, you know. I'm doing those charting regardless. I'm looking at coins regardless. I'm trading them myself. So this is the beauty. It doesn't really take any extra time. Just the coins that I like, I just sent to you guys, you know. So this one is a new one, but 0 replies. Already radium level. Yeah, sketchy. 50% owned by developer. Clearly a rug pull. This one is performing now. I think we've seen this before. At 30k. Someone owns 10%. That's a lot. Yeah, we've seen this before. There aren't much new coins. And this one, by the way, looked great, so do your own research. Trump and Tate Magic's escape. Let's take a look. Bubble map. There is someone holding 8.7%. That's a lot. This is a bit a lot. And it's only at 10k market cap, so it can very quickly die. And the volume already is very shallow. It's a no-go for sure. Unfortunately, we have some lag right now, so hopefully you guys don't mind. But I'm always going to keep looking for any new transactions here, because that's how you can find one hard access here. Whenever he enters or creates some token, he can, like, when he got into this token, RNT, RNT, or I don't know how to pronounce it correctly, he tweeted about this token 5 to 10 minutes after he got in, actually. So you could have seen the transaction from here way earlier than his tweet. You can even verify that yourself if you get his wallet. Actually, we can do it from here somehow. If you look at holders, if we insert a wallet here somewhere, I don't really remember how to do it, but it's possible. It's possible. Basically, you can find where exactly did he buy. And he tweeted about this 5 to 10 seconds, 5 to 10 minutes later. So there was a large gap if you saw this transaction here to buy before his tweet. Maybe any new coins here. Let's take a look. Because those are always changing, right? Those are always changing. And it's all him. Take a look. Top 7, it's all him. 9, yeah. How is this performing? 200k. So as you can see here, Parrot Fun coin which went to Radium is performing well. For 24 minutes it's been live. It's looking great so far. Volume is sufficient. It's enough. As the chart is looking bullish, I would say. In the narrative too. Let's keep an eye on this. But it's exciting. This was going sideways, unfortunately. Let's take a look at this. Slow mooning coin. This is about radium level soon. So this is going to be exciting. Do you think there will be a dip with Tate coins? Yeah, for sure. Always there are dips. When it comes to those radium coins, we even charted before, like each time, as you can see here. Like this was the dip, this was the dip, this was the dip. And if you look closely, you can find even more dips. I mean, this was the dip here, that's for sure. Earlier today we caught those two dips, we caught this dip, and we caught this dip with other coins. And here, as you can see, a dip. So loads of dips. It's inevitable. Dips are usually a matter of time. I mean, always are. Like coins have to retract because market psychology, people got to take profits, right? At 2x, 3x, whenever they want, they just will take profits sometime, you know? Sometimes they just got to sell and take profit. So dips are inevitable. They're going to happen. There is one link. And by the way, guys, join the free Discord and free Telegram calls channel, because that's where I'm going to drop some calls, like one maybe per day or something, for free completely on Telegram calls channel. So join it for free. This looks pretty good, I would say. This looks pretty good. This is handmade. This picture right here, Chinese Elon Musk. And this looks, this font is the most common font, right? So not that much effort, but it's nice. It's average. It's all custom made. So I would say it's even better than average, slightly better than average. Take a look at this. There's different memes right here, all handmade. Slow moving coin. It's not in the current trend. I mean, Chinese trend was the trend of yesterday. Every single day trends are changing. Chinese Asian meme, because Bybit, to my knowledge, now allows Chinese people to register an account, which, correct me if I'm wrong here, I don't quite remember it exactly, but something like this, like very bullish news for Chinese and crypto market in general. Only 8 people in the voice chat, but it's a slow moving coin. 66 members. I would say it's kind of small for a 25k market cap coin, but do your own research here. More or less in the trend. Some burns here. Website is better than average, a little bit better. And there is, even though small, but there is a community. I wouldn't personally get into this coin, but if you like it, do your own research, of course. This one on Radium, still going up, as you can see here. $240k market cap now. What if the leak was intentional? Yeah, it was for sure, by the way, because, I mean, at first it was uncertain. It looked like an accident even, maybe. It was just a screenshot, but then he tweeted later, send me some coins, and he just dropped his wallet. I'm going to find this tweet right here. So this is where he showed his wallet, as you can see here, 5 hours ago, and you should find the tweet that it was intentional, really. Any new transactions? Nope. No new transactions. We have a little bit of lag right now. This is approaching 0.5 level, exactly at 0.5 level. And as you can see here, a little bounce already. A little bounce, because how this works is that people, everyone else of course, can also see those levels. They use different indicators, whether it's Fibonacci or Fibonacci and something else, or something completely different, and everyone can see those levels, right? And then people who want to snipe the coins at this level, they have their bots set up to buy at this level, at this price. Hence, usually coins bounce when they hit the levels. And if they don't, that's bearish, because there are no whales looking at the coin, looking at those levels. No one is interested, you know? So it's important to see for a bounce as well. Bounce is a bullish sign, because there are people, average traders and whales waiting to buy the dip. You can see here, this bounced in front of our eyes, literally 50%. I mean, this clearly is some whale activity, I would say. 70% just in front of our eyes from this level. There is lots of volatility, as we can see here. But yeah, those coins are bouncing. This is very clear. So use Fibonacci, use support resistance levels, use everything. Use everything you can to your advantage, use every tool, because this clearly works well, as you can see here. Perfect bounces. Perfect bounces. This is about to go for another all-time high. It's approaching the resistance. Let's see if it rejects or if it flips it. But if it flips it, this could be very prosperous for us. If this happens, this was a bit tilted. If this happens right here, if it comes back to this level, which is resistance, now is the support, flips the resistance, becomes the support, then this could be a trade here. This is resistance support flip strategy. So it just has to break through. So you want a 5-minute candle confirmation for that. As you can see here, it wicks, it's wicking up, but wicks do not count. It hasn't broken through yet. It's only broken when a candle closes in green above the level. So there is some time to wait for this opportunity for sure. But loads of volume, coin looks great, looks bullish all the way. Didn't even have any big corrections, you can see here. It hasn't even really dipped down, really. And when coins don't dip down, they're very bullish. 70 or more percent dips are bearish, 50%, 55% are good, or even less. 30% is bullish dip as well. The less they dip, the more bullish they are, basically. Just keep that in mind. This broke through this level, as you can see here. It didn't hold. So it's going down very fast, but now it's right at this resistance to support level, as you can see here. So we have almost double convergence here. First we have the support level, then the Fibonacci level right here. So let's see if it holds here. It should be strong. So if whales have their buy positions at this level, it can bounce for sure. Or if traders like us can see that it's approaching the levels, you want to buy the dip, you get in. Could be interesting here. Do your own research, but it is a dip. 50% or even more, 60. This is now 270k. We saw this coin at 60k on Parrot Fun. So this did a 5x, and as I told you guys, those coins from Parrot Fun to Radium, which migrate, they're going to perform well if they're in the narrative. Not all of them, but many of them will. Certainly more than those non-narrative coins, because when such coin goes to Radium, there is no one to buy it, unfortunately. Narrative coins perform great when they migrate. This is how it works. And this as well, this Tate bike is approaching Radium. We have loads of lag here, so it's about Radium level now. Let me now refresh this wallet last time and X profile, and I'm going to end this live stream because I have been going for 2 hours. It was really great, really educational, very fun. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you join the free Discord, check out the free course in the live chat. There is a paid community, which price is going to go up after 10 people join. It's just for the first 10 people, and we already have like 6 or 7 spots taken. There is just a few left, so there's going to be more. But yearly access, just $8.5 per month. I mean, you can cover this with one trade. So yeah, you get the course, you get the calls, you get the everything really. And let's take a look at this. And subscribe, guys, if you're new. With notifications. We're streaming literally every single day. Every single day. And I might post a video about copy trading Parrot Fun Memecoins, because someone wanted to give me a free bot to try out, and I'm down for it. So I want to make that video for you guys. Subscribe, stay tuned. I will see you guys tomorrow, and I will announce the next stream on my Telegram Coast channel. Thank you all for being here, and I wish you a nice